going to teach you a topic in English grammar. It is the very first chapter of the syllabus. The topic name is the sentence. In this topic, you will learn about the sentence and its kinds. Now I am going to define the topic first. Sentence. Sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. It means that a sentence should be in group of words, and a sentence should also give some complete sense. Here a sense means meaning. So to be a sentence, there is two conditions. A sentence should be in group of words, and it should give complete sense also. Now I am going to give you one example. That's why you can understand the topic well. Students, it is a sentence because this sentence is in group of words, and it is also giving some sense. He writes a letter. Here subject is he, and writes is verb. A letter is object. This sentence ends with full stop. It means that the sentence which ends with full stop, it is also a sentence. A sentence which ends with question mark, a sentence also ends with note of exclamation mark. So you may see different kinds of sentences. Thus, each and every sentence begins with capital letter. So you have to remind it all the time. Who does not know Mahatma Gandhi? It's also a sentence. It begins with capital letter and ends with question mark. It means that it's a question sentence. In both of these examples, you see that these sentences are giving some sense. Now let us see some more examples about the sentence, like a mango, a country, an elephant, etc. These are also example of sentence, but these are not meaningful sentences. These examples are not giving complete sense, so that these are not sentences. Students, now I hope that you have understood the definition of sentence and its kinds. Now I am going to teach you kinds of sentence. Kinds of sentence. According to modern English grammar, there are four kinds of sentence. Sentence, assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. So these are four kinds of sentence. Let's try to hear its proper pronunciation. The very first kind is assertive sentence, second is imperative sentence, third kind is interrogative sentence, and fourth is exclamatory sentence. Assertive sentence is divided into two parts: affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Imperative sentence is used to express order, command, suggestion, advice, etc. Interrogative sentence is also called question sentence because it is used to ask question. And exclamatory sentence is used to express strong feelings and sudden feelings. So you see here different kinds of sentences. Now I am going to explain one by one. Assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is used to give some statement. Imperative sentence is used to express command, order, suggestion, advice, etc. Interrogative sentence is a question sentence. Interrogative sentence is a question sentence because by using interrogative sentence one can ask any type of question. Interrogative sentence is of two types: yes no question and WH question. In yes no question the answer is given in yes or no, and in WH question the sentence begins with W and H. WH question begins with WH letter as what, why, how, etc. What is your name? Why are you looking so sad? How are you? These are examples of interrogative sentence. And yes no questions. Are you very happy today? The answer will be yes or no. So in this type of questions you may answer in yes or no. These are yes no question, and these examples are the examples of WH questions. In this way you have understood interrogative sentence, which is used to ask any question. Later on, you see imperative and exclamatory sentences. Imperative sentence. It is used to express order, command, or suggestion. Order, command, suggestion, advice, etc. By using imperative sentence, you can order somebody, you can command somebody, you can give suggestions or advice to somebody. There is some slight difference between order, command, suggestion or advice, but all these are any kind of order. So imperative sentence is used to express order. Students, you may use full stop at the last of imperative sentence and assertive sentence. Now let's see exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. This kind of sentence is used to express strong feelings or sudden feelings. Strong feelings or sudden feelings. For example, what a palatial building it is. What a palatial building it is. What a giant animal it is. How very cold the night is. What a pleasant surprise. What a lovely place it is. These kind of sentences are used to express exclamatory sentence, and it is used to express some sudden feelings or strong feelings. It is also used to express some wishes also. So like that, I think that you have understood all these kinds of sentences, and at last I would like to express about the types of sentence. Types of sentence. There are two types of sentence. Two types of sentence are subject and predicate. Predicate. Subject. One who does something is called subject. One who does something is called subject. And predicate. Predicate means the group of words which is saying something about the subject is called predicate. So there are two parts of any sentence, subject and predicate. Now you can bifurcate subject and predicate in a very simple way. You have only to do some simple task in your mind. You have to ask any question using who or which in your mind, and you will find subject very easily. For example, he writes a letter. He writes a letter. You will ask a question inside your mind, who writes a letter? The answer will be he, so that it is subject, and the rest of the group of words are predicate. So it is very easy to find subject and predicate. Like that, you may bifurcate subject and predicate very easily. Students, today in this video I am going to conclude the topic sentence. It's the very first chapter of your syllabus in your English grammar. I hope that you will understand the topic very well. In the next video I will teach you the next topic. Till then, goodbye everyone. Thank you all.